Let's do this style. When doing these, it's called a petal bun. So pretty much getting the ponytail, I always feel that it's best if you actually retwist in the direction that you're actually going to be doing the style. So all of her locks are going toward the ponytail. So that way she doesn't have the locks pulling in the opposite direction. That hurts if you're getting the style done and it's just sitting for a while, especially if you're going to be doing a ponytail and you have it sitting for a long time. It's uncomfortable. So just do them in the direction to the ponytail. Then you want to go in and add rubber bands after you make the loop. Doing this is how you create the petal bun. And then I'm going to wrap them to get them where they sit up real pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this so that way you can see how it turns out. If you guys like doing natural styles and braid styles, come join us inside the braid community. That's what we're doing over there. If you like watching these YouTube videos and you still are confused on something, still come chat us in there, because that's where I'll be giving all the tips and extra things that I don't share on YouTube.